Hi learners, can you help me do a puzzle? Look at this. This is our first number. Do you know what number this is? That's right, number 1. This is the number 1 and it goes right here. And to represent number 1, we have 1 red ring. 1. And what's next? Number 2. And look, it goes right here. And to represent number 2, we have 2 orange rings. 1, 2. What's next? That's right, 3. We have the number 3. And to represent number 3, we have 3 yellow rings. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And what's next? 4. And to represent number 4, we have 4 light green rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? You got it. The number 5 is next. 5. And to represent number 5, we have 5 green rings. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's next? 6. That's right, number 6. To represent number 6, we have these blue rings. Can you help count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's next? The number 7. It goes right here. And to represent the number 7, we have 7 rings. Can you help count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great counting. And what's next? That's right, number 8. To represent number 8, we have these light pink rings. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's next? That's right, number 9. 9. And look, we have these dark pink rings to represent the number 9. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great counting. Last, we have these light purple rings. How many do you think there will be? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 purple rings. Great job with numbers and counting. Do you remember what number this is? That's right, the number 1. It looked like that. And inside the number 1 is 1 lion. And the word 1. 1 is represented by 1 object, or 1 red ring. 1. Now here we have a shape. We have a semicircle. It looks like this. And on this shape, we have a rainbow. That's right. Great job. A rainbow on our semicircle. Do you remember this number? That's right, number 2. And if you look inside, there are 2 tigers. And down here is our word 2. Do you remember what 2 looked like? That's right, just like this. 2. Do you see our word 2? Can you read it with me? 2. 2 is represented by 2 objects. Look at this. 2 orange rings. 1, 2. We have a shape again. We have a shape with 4 equal sides. Do you recall which shape that is with 4 equal sides? That's right, a square. And on the square is a form of weather called lightning. Have you ever seen lightning in the sky? The thunder that follows can seem pretty scary. So we have the number 2. We have an orange square with lightning on it. And we have 2 orange rings. What came after 2? That's right, number 3. And if you look closely, there are 1, 2, 3 baby chicks in there. Do you remember what the number 3 looked like? That's right, just like that. Down here is the word 3. Do you remember? 3 is represented by 3 objects, just like these 3 yellow rings. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. And on this shape, we have another object. Do you know what this is? You might find it in the sky. That's right, the sun. The sun is on what shape? A circle. Great naming your shapes. Circle. So we have the number 3, the word 3. We have a circle and a sun on our circle and 3 yellow rings. What's the shape? Did you guess number 4? Great job. Look closely. There are how many monkeys inside our number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And underneath our 4 is the word 4. 4 is represented by 4 objects, or 4 light green rings, just like these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have another shape. Does anyone remember which shape has 3 sides to it? That's right, a triangle. A triangle looks just like this. Now what weather is on our shape? That's right, a rain cloud. And look, little raindrops are coming out of it. So we have the number 4, the word 4, a light green triangle with a rain cloud on it, and 4 light green rings. What number is next? That's right. Did you see the number 5? Awesome. And inside our number 5, look, we have frogs. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And underneath our 5 frogs, we have the word 5. Number 5. 5 is also represented by objects, 5 of them. They would look like that. Should we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great counting. Now we have a star inside the shape. Does anyone know what the shape might be? Did you say star? Great job. A star looks like this. So we have the number 5, a green star, 5 green rings, and the number 5 down here. What number comes after 5? Did you say 6? That's right, good job. And if you look inside our number 6, we have some mice. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 mice. 6. And underneath our 6, we have the word 6. 6 is represented by 6 objects, just like these 6 blue rings. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have a snowflake. Our snowflake is on this shape. And look how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. It has 6 sides. Does anyone know what shape that is? With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides? A hexagon. Our snowflake is on a hexagon. So we have the number 6, a hexagon with a snowflake on it, and 6 blue rings. What number was next? That's right, 7. And if you look inside here, we have 7 elephants. Let's count them just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great counting. And underneath our 7, we have the word 7. And look here, we have clouds inside this shape. And look, it's not quite a square because the sides aren't equal, but it's not a rectangle either. Does anyone know what the shape is called? It has a smaller top and a longer bottom, but it's not a triangle, it's a trapezoid. That's right. And 7 is represented by 7 objects as well, just like these rings. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What comes after 7? That's right, the number 8. And we have 8 cows in there. Oh, they're so cute. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And underneath 8 is the word 8. Can you read it with me? 8. Nice reading. 8 is represented by 8 objects, just like these light pink rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ooh, great counting. Now inside here is wind. Wind is on a shape. Let's count the sides to see what shape it might be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 sides. What shape is that? That's right, an octagon. Great job. And what number came after 8? That's right, the number 9. Look down here. This is the word 9. Can you read it with me? 9. And inside here we have bunnies. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bunnies. And here is the number 9. 9. 9 is represented by 9 objects. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here we have a moon and a star on a shape. Does anyone know what shape that is? Our heart. Great job. You did awesome today, learners. Thank you. Bye. Oh, wow. Look at all these shapes. Ready to do a puzzle? Our first piece needs to fit on this one peg. What shape could it be? This would work. And it's a circle. That's right. Can you help me find the yellow circle? There it is. Great job finding. Now we need to find a shape that will fit on these pegs. How many are there? Let's count. There's 1 and 2. What shape could that be? A rectangle. A yellow rectangle. Can you help me find a yellow rectangle? Wow, you did it again. Nice job. Yellow rectangle. Now we need to think of a shape that'll fit on these pegs. Let's see how many. 1, 2, and 3. What shape could that be? A triangle. A yellow triangle. That's right. Let's see. Can you help me find the yellow triangle? Great job. You found it. There it is. Yellow triangle. Next up, we need to think of a shape that will fit on these pegs. Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape might fit on 4 pegs? I wonder. A square. A yellow square. That's right. Can you help me find the yellow square? There it is. Great job. Now we need to find a shape that could fit on all of these pegs. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What shape could that be, I wonder? 5 pegs. A yellow pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Can you help me find a yellow pentagon? Great finding. There it is. You did it. Awesome job. Look, we put all the yellow pieces on our puzzle. That was great. Now we need to find another circle, a blue circle. Can you look at all of our shapes and find the blue circle? Way to go, you found it again. That's awesome. That is a blue circle. Let's get it on our puzzle. I wonder what shape will be next after circle. Do you remember? A rectangle, that's right. We're looking for a blue rectangle. It's going to look like this. If we look at all of our shapes, do you see a blue rectangle anywhere? You did it again. That's it. Correct. A blue rectangle. Let's get it back on our puzzle. I wonder what shape is next. Triangle. Did you guess that? Nice job. We're looking for the blue triangle. If we look at all of our shapes again, can you help me find the blue triangle? Great finding. You did it. That's it. Well done. Let's get it back on our puzzle. The blue triangle. What's next? We need, that's right, a square. Can you find this blue square in our pile of shapes? Look closely. Where is the blue square? You did it again. Look at that. The blue square. Let's get it back on our puzzle. That's it, just like that. What's next? Did you say pentagon? Nice job. We need to find a blue pentagon. It looks just like this. Can you look at all of our shapes and find a blue pentagon? You found it, that's it. A blue pentagon. We'll add it back to our puzzle. Look, now we've done all of our blue shapes. Well done, learners. Now we need to find another circle. I wonder what color. We need to find a red circle. Can you find a red circle when you look at all of our shapes? Where's that red circle at? Nice finding. You did it. Good job. Let's get it back on our puzzle too. Now we have 3 circles on our puzzle. Next up is a rectangle. We need to find a red rectangle. Can you remember this shape? Where is it? Where's that red rectangle? You found it again. Nice finding. Let's get it back on our puzzle. There we go. Now we have 3 rectangles. What shape's up next? A triangle. Can you find a red triangle? Whoa, that was fast finding. Good job. Let's get it back on our puzzle. There we go. What's up next? A square. Can you find our red square? Where could it be in all these shapes? Do you see it? Let's get that back on our puzzle. A red square. Now we need to find a pentagon. A red pentagon. Oh wow, you found that fast. Nice job. Let's get it back onto our puzzle. Wow, now we have 3 pentagons too. And look, we did all of our red shapes. Great job. Up next, we need to find another circle. Color? Green. We need to find a green circle. Remember the shape. Where could it be? Look closely. Green circle? You found it. Nice finding. Let's get it back onto our puzzle. And now we have 4 circles. Up next is, that's right, a rectangle. We need to find a green rectangle. Can you spot it in all of these shapes? Where could a green rectangle be? You did it. Nice job. There it is. We better put that back with our puzzle too. And look, 4 rectangles. Up next we have a triangle. Color? Green. Did you guess a green triangle? Nice job. Look at all our shapes. Where could a green triangle be? Did you spot it? Nice finding. You did great. let's get that one back on our puzzle too. 4 triangles. And now we have a square. We need to find a green square. Where would our green square be? You found that really fast. Nice job. Let's get it back on our puzzle. There we go. Up next, we have, do you remember? A pentagon. That's right, we need to find a green pentagon. Where could it be? Great finding. And look, we did it. We got that back on our puzzle, and we did every green shape. Now we need to find our last circle. Color? Orange. We need to find an orange circle. Where would it be? That's right, next to our yellow pentagon. An orange circle. That is our 5th shape. Up next, we have a rectangle. We need to find an orange rectangle in all of our shapes. Can you help spot it? Oh, nice job, you did it. And look, we'll get it back on our puzzle. 5 rectangles. We're all the way to the top there. Up next, we have triangle. That's right, we need to find an orange triangle. Remember this shape. See if you can spot it. You zeroed in right away. Nice job. Let's get it back on our puzzle. And look, 5 triangles. Whoa. Up next, we have, did you say square? Nice job. We need to find this orange square. Remember it. See if you can spot it. You did it. It was under our orange triangle and next to our yellow triangle. Let's get it back on our puzzle. And up next, we have a pentagon. An orange pentagon. Remember this shape? I need your help spotting it. Where is it? Nice job. It was right next to our puzzle board. We put this orange pentagon back on our puzzle, and now we have 5. We did it, learners. Look, all of our puzzle pieces are back on. This is the letter A. A says a or A. Let's look at something that starts with A. Like an apple. This is the letter B. B says B. B. Do you know what color our letter B is? That's right, it's blue. Our letter B goes here, right after the letter A. B, like in B. This is the letter C. C goes right here, and C makes 2 sounds, K and S. Do you know what color our letter C is? That's right, it's orange. K, like in cactus. This is the letter D, and D says D. What color is our letter D? Green, great job. And D goes right here in our puzzle, right after the letter C. D, like in dog. Next we have letter E, and E can say E or eh. What color is our E? That's right, yellow. And it goes right here after D. Like an egg. Next we have the letter F. F says F. And what color is our F? That's right, it's green, just like the letter D. F. Like in flower. This is the letter G. G says G and J. It also makes 2 sounds. And what color is our letter G? That's right, yellow. And it goes right here after the letter F. G, like in grape. This is the letter H, and H says H. And what color is our H? That's right, it's blue, just like our letter B. And it goes right here after the letter G. Like in horse. Next we have letter I. I also makes 2 sounds. I and I. And it is the color purple. And it goes right here after the letter H.
Like an iguana.
Next we have letter J, and J says J. What color is our letter J? That's right, blue. And it goes right here after letter I. I and then J.
J, like in jellyfish.
Next we have the letter K, and K says K. What color is this letter? That's right, it's red, just like letter A. They're both red, and K goes right here after the letter J.
Like in kite.
And look, we have another red letter. This letter is L, and L says L. L. Letter L.
L, like in lollipop.
Next we have letter M. And what color is letter M? Yeah, that's tough. I think it's a teal color. Teal. And M says M. M goes right here after the letter L.
M, like in mom.
Next we have the letter N, and N says N. What color is our letter N? It's yellow, just like G and E.
N, like in night.
Next we have the letter O, and O can say ah or O. And our letter O goes right here, right after the letter N. What color is our letter O? That's right, it's green, just like letter D and letter F.
Like an owl.
We have another teal letter. It's the letter P, and P says P. Can you make that noise with me? P, P. That is the sound that letter P makes, and P goes right here after the letter O.
P, like in peacock.
Next we have letter Q, and what color is letter Q? That's right, it's green, just like F, D, and O. The sound that Q makes is qua. Can you say it with me? Qua.
Qua, like in quiet.
Our next letter is R, and R goes R, R, R. Can you say it with me? R. And what color is letter R? That's right, it's purple, just like letter I. And it goes right here in our puzzle, right after the Q.
R, like in rainbow.
Next we have letter S, and S says S. Can you say it with me? S. And S goes right here after letter R. And what color is S? That's right, it's blue, just like letter J. Great job.
S, like in sun.
And next we have the letter T, and T says T, T. Can you say it with me? T, T. That's the sound that letter T makes. T goes right here after letter S, and it's orange, just like C. Look at that, they're the same color.
T, like in table.
Next we have letter U, and letter U says or U. Letter U goes here right after T in our puzzle, and what color is our U? That's right, it's blue.
Like an umbrella.
Next we have letter V, and V says Can you say it with me? And it's teal, just like M and P.
Like in vase.
Next we have letter W, and W is orange, just like letter T and C. W says W. Can you say it with me? W. Great job.
W, like in window.
Next we have letter X, and X is red, that's right. Like what other letters? A, K, and L. They're all the same color and they're red. X can go X in a word, or sometimes it also goes Z. Those are the sounds that X can make. Letter X.
X like an X-ray.
Next we have letter Y, And Y says yeah. Yeah. Can you say it with me? Yeah. Letter Y goes right here, right after letter X. What color is Y? Blue, just like S and J.
Yeah, like in you too.
And now we have the last letter of the alphabet, and this letter is called Z. Can you say that with me? Z. And Z goes Z, Z. Can you say it? Z. Nice job. And what color is our letter Z? That's right, it's purple, just like letter R and letter I.
Z, like in zebra.
Should we say our letters one more time? Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job today, learners. Let's open our eggs and see what's inside. Look, this egg is blue. What's inside? Aw, inside is the number 1, a purple number 1. Number 1 is at the beginning of our puzzle. See, here. And look, inside is 1 ring, 1 purple ring. Oh look, here we have a yellow egg. Let's open it and see what we find. There's a yellow number inside too. And look, it's the number 8. Do you know where the 8 goes on our puzzle? That's right here. And look, inside our egg are yellow rings. Let's count and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yellow rings were inside our egg. That's awesome. Look, here we have a light purple egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's an orange number inside. Do you know what number this is? That's right, number 3. Great job. And we have orange rings in here too. Let's see how many. Let's count. Can you count with me? 1, 2, and 3. 3 orange rings, just like our number 3. Look, now we have a pink egg. What's inside? It's a blue number. What number is that? That's right, number 5. And where does number 5 go on our puzzle? Can you see? Right here? That's right. And look, we have blue rings in here. How many? 1. Can you count with me? 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 blue rings, just like our number 5. Look, now we have a green egg. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's a blue number, a light blue number. Do you know what number that is? That's right, a number 4. And where does 4 go? In between 3 and 5. 4 goes right here. And how many blue, light blue rings do we have? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 light blue rings. Great counting. We have this light pink egg. What's inside? Well, it's a green number this time. Do you know what number this is? 7. And where does 7 go on our puzzle? That's right here. And how many rings do we have? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 green rings, just like our number 7. Look at this light purple egg. Can you guess what number's inside? What number do you think is in there? Oh, it's light green. That's right, it's the number 6. Did you guess that one? Great job. And how many light green rings do we have? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 light green eggs. What numbers do we have so far? We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're still missing 2, 9, and 10. I wonder what number we'll find in our yellow egg. Do you know what number this is? Look, it's dark pink. That's right, it's the number 2. And how many dark pink rings do we have? Let's count and see. 1 and 2. Great counting. We're only missing numbers 9 and 10. What number do you think might be in this light green egg? Let's open and see. Whoa, there's a lot in there. Our number's kind of buried. Do you think that's number 9 or number 10? That's right, it's number 9, and it goes right here after the number 8. Let's count our orange rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, just like the number 9. All right, we only have one missing number. Do you remember which one it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's right. So what number should be inside our pink egg? Whoa, so many rings. There it is. It's unburied. What number is that? That's right. It's number 10, a red number 10. And it goes right here. We found all the numbers in our puzzle. Let's count how many red rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great counting. Let's say those numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. We opened all our eggs and we found all our numbers. Great work today. Let's talk numbers, colors, shapes, and counting. Let's get started. What's the first number in our puzzle? 1. 1 looks like this. 1. Can you say it with me? 1. If we look closely, we can see that there's 1 cube. And this is the word 1. If we were to look at a domino with only 1 dot, it would look like this. Can you count it with me? 1. Do you know what color our domino is? Blue. Yes, that's right. Blue. The next number in our puzzle is 2. That's right. Great job. 2 looks like this. 2. Can you say it with me? 2. If we look closely, we can see that there are 2 cubes here. Let's count. 1, 2.
And here is the word two.
If we were to look at a domino with 2 on it, it would look like this. Can you count it with me? 1, 2. Great counting. And what color is our domino? That's right, dark green. And it goes here. The next number in our puzzle is 3. Great job. If we were to look at 3, this is what it would look like. 3. Can you say it with me? 3. If we take a closer look, we will see that there are 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. And this is the word 3. If we were to look at a domino with 3 on it, it would look like this. Can you count it with me? 1, 2, 3. Great counting. Our domino goes right here. Do you know what color this is? Light green. The next number in our puzzle is 4. If we were to take a close look at 4, it would look just like this. Can you say it with me? 4. 4 goes right here on top of our sailboat. 4. If we were to take a closer look down here, we would see that there are 4 cubes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. This is the number 4. If we look closely at a domino with 4 on it, it would look like this. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting. Our domino goes right here. And what color is our domino with 4 on it? It's yellow. Yes, yellow. And what number is next? 5. That's right. If we take a close look at 5, it looks like this. 5. Can you say it with me? 5. Look at our cubes. They went all the way to the top now. Can you help count how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cubes. If we were to look at a domino with 5 on it, it would look like this. 5. Let's count our domino dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what 5 looks like on a domino. And what color is this? Orange. That's right. Can you say it with me? Orange. And what number comes after 5? That's right. 6. 6 looks like this. 6. Can you say it with me? 6. And look here. Now we're starting on the next row. Let's count our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the number 6. If we were to look at a domino that had 6, it would look like this. Let's count our domino dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great counting. Our domino fits right here. And what color is our domino? Pink. That's right. Great job. And what number comes after 6? That's right. 7. 7 comes next. And this is what 7 looks like. Can you say it with me? 7. And it goes right there. Oh wow, look at our cubes. They keep growing. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cubes now. And look, right here, this is the word 7. If we were to look at a domino that had 7 on it, it might look like this. Can you help me count our domino dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, great counting. And it goes right there. And what color is this domino? Red. That's right, it's red. What number comes after 7? 8. If we were to look at the number 8, it would look like this. And 8 fits right here. 8. Look, there's even more cubes now. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right, there's 8 cubes. And look, this is the number 8. If we were to look at a domino with 8 on it, it might look like this. Can you help me count our domino dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great counting. And what color is our domino? Purple. And our purple domino goes right there. And what number comes after 8? 9. 9 comes after 8. If we look at the number 9, it looks like this. Can you say it with me? 9. And our 9 fits right here. Let's say our numbers all the way up to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. Oh wow, look, our cubes are almost to the top again. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 cubes here, just like the number 9. And here is the word 9. If we were to look at a domino with 9, it might look like this. Can you help me count our domino dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great counting. And our domino piece goes right here. What color is this one? That's right, it's green. Great job. What number comes after 9? 10. That's right. If we were to look at the number 10, it would look just like this. And look, it's different than all the other numbers before it because it has 2 numbers in it. First a 1 and then a 0. This is 10. Can you say it with me? 10. And our 10 goes right here. Can you count or say all the numbers with me again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, learners. Oh wow, look at that. The cubes are all the way to the top on both rows. Oh my goodness, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 cubes, just like our number 10. And look at that. Did you see? There were 5 on both sides. 5 and 5 is 10. And look here. This is the word 10. If we were to look at a domino with 10 on it, it might look like this. Can you help me count our domino dots too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting. And what color is our domino? That's right, it's yellow. This is a yellow domino, and it goes right here. Now let's look at our shapes. Whoa, they have pictures on them. That's awesome. look at this first one. Does anyone know what shape might look like that? Kind of like a clock? I wonder. Did you guess circle? Great job, learners. Look, we know that it's a circle because it's completely round. Round. And it fits right there. Do you remember what color our circle is? That's right, it's blue. A blue circle. Let's look at the next shape. Can you tell what shape might be next? Look at this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. And it could look like the face of a dice. I wonder, what shape could it be? Did you guess square? And how do we know this will fit here? Yes, it also has 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. That's right, and they're all the same in length, just like our puzzle piece up here. Do you remember what color our square is? Green. Nice job. It's a green square. Let's take a look at the next shape. I wonder what shape this could be. It kind of looks like a football. Let's see. It's kind of round, like a circle, but it looks stretched. Do you know what that's called? Did you guess an oval? That is a great guess. How did you know that this was an oval? That's right. Look, it kind of looks like a circle, but this one is longer and skinnier. Like somebody took the circle and stretched it. And now we have an oval. Let's see if it fits. Fits perfect. And what color is our oval? Light green. Great job. We have a light green oval. Let's take a look at our next shape. What's after the oval? It looks like this. That's interesting. Let's take a look at those sides. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3. That's how many I saw. 3 sides. What shape has 3 sides? A triangle. That's right. It's a triangle. But how can we be sure that these are the same? Let's check our sides. 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 sides too, and it looks a lot like that one. Let's see if it fits. It fits perfect, learners. And what color is our triangle? Yellow. We have a yellow triangle. Let's take a look at the next shape. Oh, wow. That looks kind of like a starfish. Do you see that too? A starfish? I wonder what shape that could be. Let me think. Did you say star? That's what I'm thinking too. Let's take a closer look. Learners, I definitely see a star here. Is that what you see too? Look at that. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we see if it fits? Here we go. It was a perfect match. We did it. And what color is our star? Orange. Our star is orange. Thank you. Nice job. Let's take a look at our next shape. Oh, wow. I wonder what that shape could be. I might have to think kind of hard about that one. It's not a square. The sides aren't equal. But it's not a triangle because there's more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at these sides. They kind of go off to the side, like they keep growing. Not a square, not a rectangle. I wonder what it could be. A trapezoid? Of course, it's a trapezoid. Let's see why. If we take a closer look at this shape and compare it to this one, we'll see that this top side looks just like that one. And look how those sides came off like that, down, just like this one. And look at the bottom. It's bigger down here to account for these angles that the sides are going down. And it's a perfect match. We were right. Trapezoid. Can you say it with me? Trapezoid. Did you already guess what came after the trapezoid? Yeah, I bet. That probably looks really familiar to you. Is this what you guessed? A heart? Me too. But how can we be sure? Look at that heart. Do you see it? The way it's shaped? I see it too. Ooh, when I trace both, it feels the same. Should we see if it fits? It was a heart. And what color is our heart? It's red. That's right, a red heart. And I think we forgot to talk about the color of our trapezoid. What color is that? Pink. That's right too. We have a pink trapezoid and a red heart. A red heart. Oh wow, learners, look at that. That's a stop. Do you know what shape this might be on a stop sign? I think we better count the sides. What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're looking for a shape with 8 sides, and it looks kind of like a stop sign. Did you guess this one? An octagon? Let's take a closer look. Let's see if this one has the same amount of sides as this one, and we'll see if we have our octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does have 8, just like our stop sign. Should we see if it fits? A perfect match. And what color is our octagon? Purple. That's right, learners. Great job. A purple octagon. Let's look at the next shape. Oh, wow. Did you see what comes next? I think they're giving us a little bit of a hint here. Do you see the design of this shape? Have you ever picked that up outside? Did you say clover? I think so. Let's look closer, see if we're right. If we take a closer look at the shape we guessed, we can see that it has the same design. Should we see if this matches? Perfect match. It's a clover, all right. Do you know what color our clover is? Green. Great job, learners. It's green. And what shape might go here? Should we count the sides again? Great idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 this time. Hexagon. That's right, a hexagon. Let's see if we're right. If we look closely at our guess, the hexagon, we can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, just like the missing puzzle piece. Should we see if it fits? Perfect. Great job, learners. And what color is our hexagon? Yellow. You got it right again. Should we say our shapes one more time? Circle, square, oval, triangle, star, trapezoid, heart, octagon, clover, hexagon. Wow, you worked so hard to put this puzzle together today. Great job, learners, with your numbers, with your counting, with your shapes, and with your colors. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time.